Okay, some more new products from the Ironman Superstore. We have these anchor tracks. So we have a 305mm version. It's at 1,500. And this is the 610mm version. This sells for 2,000 pesos. So I'd like to show you what's inside the box. So this is the 305mm one. So it comes with 2 tracks, 4 hooks, and mounting bolts. Now, what's cool about this is it's just a push lock design. So you pull it, then you can take it out, or you push it in. So it's very easy to manipulate. Just push it in, slide it to the side, and it locks. So you can configure it to any which way you want. And so this is the 305mm, this is the 610mm, and we also sell extra hooks for those who need it. Contact your Ironman dealer, contact the Superstore, or contact us online. We'll explain it more. So if you need more hooks, we have them in a pack of 2. So the 2 hooks are 350 pesos for both. So individually packed extra hooks for your anchor track system from Ironman 4x4. And the set, like for the 610mm, this one, the long one, you can get it for 2,000. What do you get? You get 2 tracks, 4 hooks, and mounting bolts. This one is 1,500. That's what you get. 2 tracks, 4 hooks, and bolts. So Ironman's anchor tracks, available from your Ironman 4x4 dealer or the Superstore. Thank you very much.